accidentally place an order on eBay or change your mind, here's how to cancel an eBay order quickly and properly from your computer. From the home page, hover over My eBay and click on Purchase History. This is where you'll see a list of all your recent purchases. Locate the item that you want to cancel. Next to it, click the drop down labeled More Actions and select Cancel Order. Now click Request to cancel this order. Select a reason like order by mistake or changed mind and hit submit. If the item hasn't been shipped yet, the seller will usually approve the cancellation. You'll receive a confirmation email once it's officially cancelled. And there you go, your order is now cancelled. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and click that subscribe for more eBay tutorials. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.